say with Allison it's like what?
Gawa tayo na a day in my life as a mom of 3 fur babies and my son. Ayan. Anak ko. Si Nico. And the tree is sleeping ata. Si Chucho. Chucho! Si Aya. Chacha. And here is Chacha. Ayan. Ang aking tatlong biik. What si Miko og pancake with egg. Ang masyadong ganap now. So, ayan, nananaura ko. Small Laude, my idol. Ano yung mong house? Gubot pa kayo. Bago pa may naka second floor, half second floor. Mo ba natawag? Hugaw pa kaya mga walls. Ayan, gubot pa. So, hoping for sana improvement soon. Mga saba na bata nasa gawas ng dula o pisanat. Ito yung niluto ni Miko, guys. Ang dami. Pancake. Oh my God, ito yung box kong. Oh my God. Ito siya. Ayan. Ang liit lang yan. 25. 125 grams. Ayan, kain tayo. Maya, puyo. Ano ha? Masarap siya. Yak, ito yung butong. Dua? Dalawang box, dalawang egg.
Imagine a future.
Masarap siya.
Welcome back everyone to what might be the most
Ito na yung vlog, guys. Continuous na lang tayo
apparently is Mark.
later.
With all this being said, make sure to like the video and
May
subscribe to the
continuation pa
channel
to.
without any
Kain lang muna kami. Bye-bye!
Oh shoot, we're in the bed, we're waking up. Whose phone is ringing right now? Is that